Hi, my name is Patrick, and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep. Coming at you today with a PSAT math question. This was question 5 from section 3, the math section without calculator, from the PSAT administered on Wednesday, November 2nd, 2016. Right there, pause it. Why not pause the video, take a crack at it yourself, and then when you're done, you can unpause the video, watch the explanation, see how you did. Could be good. Because we're getting in there. It reads, an empty shipping container is filled with boxes. The boxes are each of the same weight. The total weight, W, in kilograms of the shipping container after X boxes have been loaded into it can be represented by the equation W equals 2200 plus 350X. What does the number 2200 represent in this context? Well, that seems kind of confusing. They gave me an equation and two variables, but they didn't tell me what either of them equal. And now they're asking me what a number represents? When I'm faced with a question like this, I like to see if I can assign a value to one of the variables and see how the equation reacts. So in this case, right, they say that X is the number of boxes. Okay, well I could set X equal to 0 and that would probably simplify things a bit. So what would I get then? W would equal 2200 plus 350 times 0. So W would equal 2200. And W, they said, was the weight in kilograms. Okay, so if the number of boxes is 0, then the weight is 2200. And now they're asking me, what does the number 2200 represent? Well, it was the weight when there were no boxes inside. So let's go to the answer choices. A says the weight of a single box. No, it's the weight when there are no boxes. B says the weight in kilograms of X boxes. No, it's not the weight of the boxes. Bye. C says the weight in kilograms of the empty shipping container. Totally, because when it's empty, there are 0 boxes. Cool. It's certainly possible to do this question without assigning any values. You could just look at it and try to figure out, okay, well, if X is the number of boxes, and then whatever that is going to be plus 2200, and maybe you could figure it out that way. But to my mind, if they say that X is the number of boxes, no matter what, it's going to help me to see, all right, well, what happens if 0 is that? Because that's going to make one of the terms drop out, and then I'll be able to see what's happening a bit more clearly. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? And if you have any questions about this or any other problem, feel free to hit me up in the comments below, or you can email me at prepmindful@gmail.com. In the meantime, my name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.